Hey YouTubers, how y'all doing? Followers, listen, it's your life coach popping in, and in today's video, I'm gonna drop some gems for y'all, okay? I'm actually about to give you guys some ways you can increase and maintain your credit score, because nowadays, everything is used on credit unless you got the cash. But who's sitting around with cash like that? You need credit to finance a house. You need credit to finance a car. You need credit to even get a credit card. And nowadays, you can finance everything. People financing furniture, you financing jewelry. So credit is really important. If you're struggling and need help with your credit, ask me how I can improve your credit, okay? Oh, y'all, look, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now that I got that out the way, let's get to these ways in maintaining and creating a good credit score. The first way to maintain your credit score is you got to pay your bills. Any revolving account that's open on your credit, you got to pay the bill and pay it on time, because your payment history is 35% of your total credit score. And I'm telling you, if you miss one payment, I'm telling you, you will crash your credit score. Second way to maintain your credit score is have at least 3 to 5 open accounts on your credit report. That could be a credit card, a auto loan, or a student loan, but at least have 3 revolving open accounts in good standard. Number 3, best practice to increase and maintain your credit score: never, hear me, never close any accounts, at least not voluntarily, okay? If you got a credit card and you discipline, you ain't gotta use it, but leave it open, because that open account is helping your credit score. Fourth way, I don't know if y'all know this, but if you actually have identity or credit monitoring services on your credit report, you can increase your credit score. But of course, you know that's a paid service. All right, y'all, number 5. Here is a tip on how to maintain a good credit score. Y'all got to stop letting these people just run your name through all these databases. So let's say you getting a loan, right? You just say, yeah, run it. You narrow it down to 2 preferable banks of your choice. I would say 1 being a credit union, because their interest rates are a lot lower, okay? But don't let them people just say, yeah, let me run your credit, and they just running your credit up. And then before you know it, you got 50 to 100 inquiries on your credit report, and that could crash your credit score. The 6th best way to increase your credit score is to keep your credit utilization at 30%, people. If you got 3 cards or 5 cards, whatever the total is for all cards, you must not spend over 30%. So for example, if you got credit cards and each one, let's say you got 2 credit cards and each one got $500 on it, that's a total of $1,000 credit limit. You should not go over 30% of that $1,000. So put 15% on one and 15% on the other. That's a total of 30%. All right, number 7. Here's the way that you can increase your credit score. You can actually be an authorized user on someone's account. But let me tell you the catch-22. If the primary holder does not make their payments on time, guess what? that will affect your credit score as well. So be careful and mindful on who credit cards and credit lines you jump on. Last but not least, people, if you want to maintain a good credit score, please do not co-sign for nobody, not even your mama. Maybe Jesus, because he got the hookup and the power for a lot of stuff. But no, I'm just kidding. I'm telling y'all, do not co-sign, because even when you co-sign, they debt also will affect your debt. Keep this in mind when y'all want to co-sign. That debt will also affect your debt to income ratio. Oh yeah, even though you are the secondary account holder. So whatever they do with that account will affect your credit as well. I'm going to leave that right there. That's all I got. Until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you need help with your credit, ask me how I can improve your credit. I will see you guys in the next video.